Alright, this is problem 28, and we're just doing a mixed fraction into a decimal, and this is an example of when you get a repeating decimal for an answer. Alright, so I added a direction to this problem, which is round the answer to the nearest thousandth. So at the end, when we get there, we're going to round this answer. So what we do first, as I explained on another one, the mixed number, so the whole number there is kept, and that's written on the left side of the decimal. And then this fraction has to be changed into a decimal. So we do the division. Remember, it's the denominator or the top number into the bottom number into the top number, and that looks like this: 11 into 2. So we can't do that. You add your decimal place and zeros. 11 into 20 was once, that's 11, so subtract and you get 9. And then you bring down a 0, and you think about 11 into 90, which is then goes 8 times. 8 times 11 is 88. You get another remainder again of 2, so you have to bring down another 0. And then you think about 11 into 20 again. So you see what starts to happen, and then you have 11 then, and again you have 9, and again you bring down a 0. So what you have is a repeating decimal with 2 repeating numbers. Okay, so this would be 88. Just to complete it there, you get a 2. Okay, so your answer then, you would put the 1/8, because your decimal is 0.18 repeating, and you make sure you put the sign that it's repeating. You have to put the sign over the 2 numbers, because there's 2 numbers repeating. To round, now to go to my added step, it didn't ask you to do this, but this could be on the test. When you round this answer here to the nearest thousandth, what you have to do is add more numbers. So you have 1/8, so write down another 1/8. And just write another one down, because that's what the decimal is actually doing. It's repeating. Alright, so then you're going to think, which is the thousandth place? And that's tens, hundreds, this is the thousandth place. But you have to look at this number next to it and decide what to do with it, just like our rounding rules always are. So you raise that 1 because this is an 8. So then your answer turns out, if you round it to be 182, no repeating signs because it's not repeating, you rounded it to the nearest thousand, and it's done. So the original answer to the problem is 10.18 with the 1/8 repeating, and if you round that answer to the nearest thousandth, then your answer becomes 10.182.